Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. With this strategy we'll be able to scalp some candle in the boom and crash index. Okay, so with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'm going to post notification anytime I'm posting strategy, you guys will be aware. So with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. So what you want to do, you first click on this icon you are seeing at the top. This way we are going to be adding all our indicator up. So for the first indicator, which is going to be the moving average, at the top, we click on this F icon in the main chart. Now for the moving average, the period should be 22, shift should be 0, method should be exponential, apply to close, and for the style, using color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we need for the strategy. Now for the next indicator, which is going to be the average true range. Okay, so just have to click on this F icon on the main chart, search for average true range, and this is the parameter. The period should be 15, level should be none, all type name for the style, using color of your choice and click on save. So for the next indicator, which is going to be the RSI, at the top, we click on this indicator with one F plus. We search for RSI and these parameters. Here should be 1, apply to close, and for the levels, we need the 15 and the 85 levels. Okay, using level choice. So go back and click on save. Now for the last indicator, which is going to be the moving average. So how do we add this moving average up? We click on this indicator on the one F plus. We search for moving average and these parameters. Now the period should be 10, shift to be 0, method should be exponential, apply to close, is any color of choice and click on save. So that is all the settings you need for the strategy. Now how does the strategy works? So I'm going to be discussing this with you guys in few minutes. So we are going to be discussing about how the strategy works. Now for you to use this strategy, so this is how you use it. Now the first thing we are looking at for is a spike in the market. Okay, we are looking for a multiple spike in the market. It can be single spike, but it has to be huge, and it can be multiple spike in the market. So after we see all this spike in the market, this spike is going to be the one to push this average true range to the 85 levels. Okay, so it puts the average range to the 85 levels. After pushing it to 85 levels, then this this shows us a sign that the price is buying. Okay, so and in the next few seconds or few minutes, the price will continue to be selling. Okay, and that sell is what we are going to be catching. Now how do we catch this sell? Then the next thing we do, after we confirm that the average range is at its 5 levels, then the next thing we do is to wait for the average true range line to cross below the moving average, which happens right here. So after crossing below the moving average, then the next thing we do is to wait for the candle to close below the moving average. A candle closing below the moving average. Okay, so I'm not talking about a single candle closing below the moving average like this one right here, I'm not talking about this candle. They are waiting for multiple candles to close above the moving average. Now this candle might be 3, 4, or 5 candles. You just have to wait for that candles. So if the candle right here, this is the 4th candle, 2nd candle, 3rd candle, and the 4th candle. So let's say after this candle closes below the moving average, then the next thing you are going to do is to enter at the 5th one. So you enter right at this candle. Okay, so when you enter, you are going to be targeting 10 to 20 candles and close the positions. Okay, so that's how we trade based on this strategy right here. Okay, so let me show you guys another example, and I'm going to be doing that on crash index. Okay, so let's use this recent price move as an example. Now what can you see right here? The first thing we are looking out for is multiple spike in the market. Okay, we are looking for multiple spike. Okay, this one is huge spike, this one is another huge spike. So after this spike, we should know that it's going to push the average true range into the 15 levels. Okay, so you can see it right here. So after pushing the average true range to the 15 levels, so the next thing we do is to wait for the moving average to cross, wait for the average range to cross above the moving average, and it happens right at this area. So after we confirm all this, then the next thing we are looking out for is our entry. Now for our entry, what we are going to be doing is to wait for a candle closure above the moving average, which happens right here. Now we are not waiting for a one candle closure, we are waiting for multiple candle closure. So multiple candle closure, as I said. So after we confirm this multiple candle closure, the next thing we do is to enter right at the fifth candle or the fourth candle. So that's candle we are going to be enter our trade from, and we target 10 to 20 candles and close our positions. Okay, so that is how we trade based on this strategy. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, you can make sure you take this strategy for yourself and make sure you work and set these settings for the strategy so you can be on the right part of the strategy. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post a strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.